Hello and welcome to Virtual Tech Solutions. Myself Prashant, and in this video we will try to understand the concept of cloud and cloud computing architecture. To start off with cloud computing, as you all know, nowadays word cloud has made big name and everyone is talking about cloud. That is, my application is running on cloud or servers are running on cloud, etc. So what is this cloud all about? The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over network, that is on public networks or on private networks using WAN, LAN, or it can be through VPN. Now let's look at what is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the applications or a computing resource online. When I say online, it's over the network or internet. Cloud computing offers online data storage, infrastructure like network, CPU, memory and application over the network. Just to explain more on this definition, consider the amount of time we spend to prepare one new physical computer, as it involves different tasks like installing operating system on it and then different drivers for the respective hardware, and then comes the actual installation of applications. On an average, this whole process would take not less than 2 to 3 hours. Again, with cloud computing, we can deploy computer of required configuration in not less than 5 to 10 minutes. In fact, this is achieved with the help of a concept called virtual machine templates. Let's consider one more scenario. Tell me one thing, can we increase the memory or add a new hard disk drive or add a new NIC card to the physical computer on the fly? That is, when the computer is powered on? Answer is no, we can't. Only option is to bring down all your applications and then bring down the computer and install the new hardware. And then power on and bring your all applications back online. But with the cloud computing, we don't have this limitation. That is, if the server or application requires additional CPU, memory or disk space, we can get this done on the fly. That is, when the system is powered on. This feature is called hot plug. There is no need to bring down the server or application. This is possible because in a cloud, your server is no more physical machine, but in fact, it is a virtual machine. Now let's look at one more definition of cloud computing, which covers both the scenarios which we discussed. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared configurable computing resources. And which are those computing resources? It can be pool of networks, servers, storage, applications and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with a minimal management effort or a service provider interaction. Okay, now we understood what is cloud computing. In this slide, let's have a look at the architecture of the cloud computing. At the bottom, we have underlying software, that is infrastructure and storage. Just above that, we have virtualization layer, which is the base for cloud services. And above that, we have our different applications. And at the top, we have different clients like mobile device, web browser and thin client. So this slide lists the different types of cloud computing. We have different clouds like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid and community cloud. We will be discussing more on these types in the further videos. Thank you and happy learning.